Alright kids, assignment 2 for my poetry class was verse. We were told to choose an encyclopedia, browse through to find a topic that interests you, create a poem about that topic using some factual information you find. I went into a old, falling apart kids encyclopedia. It had weird pictures and creepy old nursery rhymes like Goosey Goosey Gander and stuff like that. I wrote about Hitches and Splices, which is the name of the poem. It was about the section I found was on sailor's knots and the different kinds of sailor's knots that you can make. I made it a little bit creepy. So that is this poem, Hitches and Splices. Alright. A necklace of rope. The eyes splice. The final knot. A bone-breaking surprise awaits on the other side of that door. But not quite yet. The eyes splice. Repeat and marry the ends. Roll and hitch. End with a cat's paw. The gallows are ready. And then we were supposed to write, on the same page as your poem, explain your rationale behind your spacing and meter and reflect on what you had learned completing this assignment. I learned that directions in encyclopedias in regards to making knots are impossible to follow. You should never try. Well, I mean, you probably should try just because it's good to try stuff once. But I couldn't do it. And then I had forgotten to do this part, so I don't know if you can see it, I did a little handwritten thing at the beginning of class. And it was so pathetic. I was like, I had my poem go straight down because that's how a rope hangs. Straight down, the end. She knew. She was like, Serena, come on now. She only gave me an 80. Whatever. So, that is assignment 2 from my poetry class. I realized that today is Valentine's Day. I have a heart on my shirt. That's about it. Valentine's Day related that I'm gonna do. I should have read a mushier poem. I'm sorry, guys. Here's one that I have memorized from 500 Days of Summer. Roses are red, violets are blue, fuck you, whore. I thought it was the best Valentine's Day poem ever. It's just a really good movie. Well, it was a pretty good movie. Not really good, but that was one of the things that stood out to me. Got me right here. I am going to post a super sappy poem tomorrow to make up for today, which actually I think this one about being hung is a good representation for Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is kind of stupid. But I will then do the opposite, or the flip of making fun of Valentine's Day, and well, no, it'll still be making fun of Valentine's Day. I'll just do a gushy, mushy one. Just for you guys. Not really. It's just for myself. I like to listen to the sound of my own voice. So, till tomorrow then.